Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
DNA paternity testing is the scientific method used to determine if a man is the biological father of a child. At its core, the process is based on a simple fact of genetics. Every person inherits half of their DNA from their biological mother and the other half from their biological father. This means a child's DNA profile is a unique combination of both parents' DNA. Think of it like a barcode. Each person has a unique genetic barcode, and a child's barcode is created by taking half the lines from the mother's barcode and half the lines from the father's. A paternity test is simply the process of comparing these barcodes to see if they match up correctly. The process begins with collecting DNA samples, which is usually done with a simple and painless cheek swab. A cotton swab, like a Q-tip, is rubbed on the inside of the cheeks of the child, the alleged father, and often the mother. This collects thousands of skin cells, which contain a full set of DNA. These swabs are then sealed in collection envelopes and mailed to a laboratory. At the lab, scientists don't analyze the entire DNA sequence, which is incredibly long. Instead, they focus on specific locations in the DNA known as markers, or loci. These markers are sections of DNA that vary greatly from person to person, making them ideal for identification. At each marker, a person has two numbers, called alleles, one inherited from each parent. For example, at a specific marker, a child might have the numbers 14 and 18. The lab will then look at the mother's DNA and might find she has a 10 and a 14 at that same marker. This confirms the child inherited the number 14 from her. Therefore, the child must have inherited the number 18 from their biological father. The final step is to look at the alleged father's DNA. If he has an 18 at that marker, it's a match. This comparison is repeated for at least 16 to 24 different markers. If the alleged father's DNA consistently provides the matching number that the child didn't get from the mother across all tested markers, the lab calculates the probability of paternity. This result is typically 99.99% or higher, confirming he is the biological father. If there are mismatches at several markers, he is excluded with 100% certainty. In essence, it's a powerful genetic puzzle, and by seeing if the pieces from the father and child fit together, science can provide a clear answer. Thanks so much for watching. If this explanation was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and for more straightforward science breakdowns, make sure to subscribe to the channel.